How to open a demo account on MetaTrader application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily open a demo account on MetaTrader application. So if you haven't already, just make sure you have already downloaded and installed this MetaTrader application from Play Store on your device, and now simply open up your application and you will see something like this. So now to simply create a new account, you just tap on this option called add a trading account, and from over here you should see your broker if you have an official account. So since we are creating an demo account, what we need to do is just click on this hamburger icon at the top left corner and simply click on this get started button, and now just select this MetaCourse Limited, and you can see there is option to simply log into your existing account as well as creating a demo account. So just tap on this open demo account at the top. So from over here you will be heading over to the register page. Now simply provide all of your details, the provided mentioned details over here, and simply click on register. So let me just quickly do that. So once you do all of that, you can simply tap on this accept and register button over here. So just make sure you haven't left out any options. So let me just quickly fill that up as well. So now simply click on done, and just like that you have successfully created a demo account on your MetaTrader application. So you can now basically use the application on your choice just like this. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.